Sarili malu, gentle breeze on my skin, thinking about you. Yeah, that smile keeps pulling me in. Fema yila loto, awale fefe. But my hands start to shake every time I see your face. Yeah, I just wanna say a simple word, but it feels like the hardest thing I've ever heard. My heart whispers, hallelujah, don't be shy. So I take one breath and I try. The first Talofa, maybe that's all it takes for me to get closer. Just one hello, maybe it opens the door. The first Talofa could be the start of something more. Angi maile matangi, ile afi filamu. I'm rehearsing the words I wanna say to you. Talofa daine, maybe we could meet sometime. Just a simple vibe, nothing over the line. Oh, my trying to choose what makes me look good for you. Cause when I see your eyes shining bright, I wish to hold you close till the first morning light. The first Talofa, maybe that's all it takes for me to get closer. Just one hello, maybe it opens the door. The first Talofa could be the start of something more. Apaete tali, mai loloto. Just that alone could warm up my evening. Oh, if you don't feel the same, listen me, oh yeah, at least I said it. At least I tried. Maybe that's all it takes for me to get closer. Just one hello, maybe it opens the door. First Talofa could be the start of something more. The first Talofa, yeah, yeah. The first Talofa, maybe that's all it takes for me to get closer. Just one hello, maybe it opens the door. The first Talofa could be the start